Welcome back, guys. I have another unboxing for you today. I set this on the floor. I got a little bit of a bigger box here. This is actually going to be a drone. It's not a very expensive drone, but it's a cheaper drone that you can get on Amazon that may be for a gift or something else. We're going to do an unboxing and we're going to see what's inside, and we're going to show some footage of this drone actually in progress. So let's hit that intro. Alright, so let's take this box apart. Obviously it's not open, just got it in the mail, and we're going to see exactly what we have in here. Let's get my box cutter out. Alright, let's see what we have. Looks like the cat's ready to see what's in here. Oh, lots of padding. What do you think? Here, watch out. Let's see. Oh, alright. So here's our box. Let's hand this over to the cat so he can have fun over there. And let's see what we have here. It's a very light box. Surprised it came in such a big box. But let's see what we have in here. Rip all this apart. Alright, there it is. So inside, here's the box. It has a controller with a screen built in so you can see exactly what it's doing. First person view, and it's a 5.8 gigahertz controller inside. So, looks like Wi-Fi connectivity, use your smartphone. This is the Glurak T5. And of course we have other ones here. This is probably one of the cheaper ones. They have the T5G, the T5W, T5C, and the T5 itself. So let's open this up and see what's on the inside. Alright. Let's open this box. So let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. Here's the box. I think we're upside down, but that's fine. Alright, so that's everything in the box. Alright, we have the instruction manual. It's probably going to be very important for understanding how this drone works. And it looks like we have another language. So I'm sure all these have a whole bunch of like Chinese and English. So good that they have that. That'll be very important. Looks like we have some propellers on the inside, USB cord. So this will be important for looking at the data on the drone itself. So that's very important. It has a little extra of that because you obviously might crash the unit a few times. So here it is. Here's the inside. T5. It's actually a little bit bigger than my hand here. So that's good. It's not the smallest, but it's not one of the biggest either. And take that off. Here's the controller. So this comes with the bigger controller on it. Of course, it feels pretty cheap, but it, of course, what do you expect for a cheaper drone like this? Let's see if I can get this out. Alright, so that's it. Here's the unit. And when you take the screen out, it has a cool little cover on it so the sun blocks the screen. So take these little guys off. Oh, so there we go. It's a nice little unit here. And of course, push those in and it closes right out. Alright, so that's cool. Let's look at the drone. Alright. Here we go. So it's quite small. Pretty cool looking. Feels a little cheap, but of course we expect for it being so cheap in itself. But it's got the camera right here. I don't think it's 1080p. I think it's actually a 720p, but it's pretty good. Alright, so this is everything in the box. We're just going to connect some of these little pieces in here that came inside of the package here, and then we can see exactly how this thing flies and how the camera footage looks. Alright guys, so I'm outside. Got a camera strapped. You can see I have the controller, and you can see that the image shows up on the screen. So let's go ahead and give it a shot don't know if it was facing the right direction. It's kind of tilted here. All right. There we go. Looking good. Let's see. See if we can do a cool move here. A little flip for you. All right. Pretty cool. Let's see if I can record. All right, recording now. All right, let's do this. All right, looks good. Woo! This flies pretty good for a really cheap drone, that's for sure. All right, cool, cool.